Hi guys, it's really dark in here actually, that's weird. But today I'm going to be making some slime. Wait, one second. I'm sorry, but that is just weird. Like there's light in there. The light's on. That's weird, but whatever. So today I'm going to be making slime. Okay, so what you guys need to be making slime is something to mix in, something to mix with. You need some paint. Well, it's like really dark. You need some Elmer's glue, PVA glue, shaving cream, and some solution. Okay? So, oh yeah, and you need a cup that is 1/3 cup. Whoa. And three things are optional. No, three things are optional. A cup is optional. You don't have to have the cup, but I prefer you to. Shaving cream is optional. It scared me. And the color is optional. And wait, there's 4 things. And the activator is optional, but I prefer using solution. I got this from Kroger, the twin pack. So yeah, let's get started. So first what you want to do is you want to pour in your glue. And these little bottles surprisingly come in with a lot of glue in them. It like really surprised me when I first made slime. I was like, whoa, that's a lot. And then I started making medium bottles of glue. And I got those and I started making gallons. I never got my own gallon before. But that's what I'm working on. Because I sell a whole bunch of slimes and stuff. And I'm going to save some money up to get a gallon of glue. Which would be really cool. Okay. So that's enough glue. I'm debating on should I add water to it so you can put it in there. But I'm not going to. So then you're going to take your teaspoon and your shaving cream. And do two of 1/3 cups, 85 millimeters in a cup. So 2 of those. Only 2, that's it. Whoa. I don't know why is it like that. It's brand new. It's probably because of the way I'm holding it or something. But yeah, you want to make sure you get all of that. Okay, then you want to mix that up. So now you have your shaving cream and your glue that you're mixing right now. Okay. Alright, so now you want to take your paint in this again. And you're going to do like a little bit in there. So that right there is plenty for me. Okay, so I'm going to take all of that out. Okay, then I'm just gonna mix the color with the shaving cream and the glue. It gets like foamy and it's really like a really pretty color. That's why I sometimes do blue, because for one, blue is like a really pretty color. And so is tan, so is pink. Pink is my favorite color, but a sky blue like this is just like my favorite. It's just so pretty. Literally, I'm obsessed with it. Okay, so now you take your solution contact lens or whatever, and you're going put it halfway in the cup. You're just gonna pour it little by little. Just a little bit. Because then the more you put it at a time, the more it's gonna take. So once it like coming off the edge, that's how you know you only need like a tiny bit more. Mine's not coming off the edges right now. Whoa. So I'm gonna add the rest of it. Yeah, I added the rest of it. It's kind of coming off. It's not like fully coming off though. That would be nice if it did. It's coming off the edges. I'm just like kind of scrape it off. It's coming off. It's fluffy, but not as fluffy as I would like it to be. So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add some more shaving cream. Nope, I'm just gonna do this. There's no in here. It's gone. The shaving cream is gone. No. No. That sucks. Well, actually, the shaving cream just made it a lot better. That's also weird. Sorry, I'm like not talking, like so focused on the slime right now. I don't know why. It's just like a really pretty color and it's really soft. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some more of that. Now we'll take this. Okay, I'll be back in a second. Once it's like all done. Okay guys, so it's on the table. I was just kneading it. It took a lot of lens solution, but it formed really quick. But it took like a lot of this because it was like super sticky. But it took a very, not like really light blue, but it's a sky blue and it's really pretty. I'm just like so obsessed with it. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like all my videos, especially this one. I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below what you guys think of my slime. And comment down below what you guys think I should do next, like a slime kit or something. So, thanks for watching. Bye!